but I'm here trying to like just have an idea. The table here is too small. Obviously everything's bigger in that big frame. I need to put the logo, and just trying to think of stuff to make it look nice. But this is Cakes by Nick Snack's first expo appearance. Here making a cake stand. I'll show you guys it in better light just now. Morning, guys. I don't care how my head looks. I'm coming to you guys with raw and real footage of preparing for the expo today. Today is Sunday. Today's Vlogmas day 19. Yes, so we're up. Sorrels are bottling. Let me show you guys. So we're bottling the sorrels. Getting them prepared for you guys. Right now I cut up cake samples. So I'm gonna put them in like little saran wrap so I can give samples to the people who come to the shows. Okay guys, I sampled out about half the cake. See, there's a half left. So yeah, the next clip will be me on my way to the show. Good morning, guys. This is a more formal look. We're on our way to the expo. We got kids driving. We got Nick Snacks back there, nervous. She is such a nervous person, but this is her first, like, you know, big break, or is that what I should call it? So yeah, we're on our way. We're actually late for the setup time, but we're gonna be there anyway, so they have to let we eat. So yeah, we're on our way there now, guys. Okay guys, so we're here. We kind of done setting up a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys a little sneak peek. When the show is actually active, then I can show you what it actually looks like, because we need to pour drinks in the shot glasses. But yeah, I'm gonna show you a little preview of what it looks like. Kind of ordinary, but it's our first show. Alright guys, so I just put on a little bit of makeup and such, so now I just need to like fix my hair, just because this morning I couldn't really get to do it, so I just have to fix it. So that's what's going on there. So we're kind of like at the backish, but like later on I'll give you guys a walkthrough of everything that's going on.
Okay, so she in this lovely African print outfit with the mask to match. Take it away, girl. Take it away. Yeah. Okay. All right. Who's next? Who's next? Okay, we got Ola from OG Collections. A nice two-piece pink outfit with the white shoes to match and the white inner piece. Go ahead, Ola. Ola. Who's next? Who's next? Oh, and that's also from Sparkle and Sparkle and Twist. We got a lot of people in here today. Head up, Sparkle and Twist. Who's next? Who's next? Okay, so we got Lala in the building. Also, our next master class teacher, instructor, with this nice pink bougie jacket. The bouge. Can you see the bouge dripping off her jacket? Okay, and with the nice heels to match. This giving me some a Louis print. Steve Madden, child, we can say Steve Louis today. We can say Steve Louis today. Take it away, Lala. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Who's next? We got Designs by Kay. All right. Look at this. Mm-hmm. Nice two-piece. Hello. Okay. Nice two-piece pantsuit. Sparkle and listen, this is a Sparkle and Twist fashion show because this is also by Sparkle and Twist. Okay? Hair done by Designs by Kate. Get your braid up. All right. Yes. Who's next? Jaya. We have Jaya in this lovely two-piece. I feel like it's like a tennis skirt. You go ahead, Jaya. Do your walk, girl. All right. Okay, Jaya. From Sparkle, listen, Sparkle and Twist, come. Just take the mic. That's also from Sparkle and Twist. All right, who we got next? We got lovely Nikki from Dory Glow. And this nice two-piece Sparkle and Twist. I paid y'all. Now, Sparkle and Twist. Oh, no, it's not, sorry. No, it's not from Sparkle and Twist. What she did, consult Sparkle and Twist. All right. Okay, so we got Key and Symphony together. Yeah. Okay, City Girl. All right, what's the plan? And Captain Inspired in the building. What's the plan? Yeah! What's the plan? Captain Inspired. Yeah. Hold on. DJ, wrap that back up. DJ. Wrap that back up. Listen, right here. DJ, give me that Santana. You got that Santana? Give me that Santana. Which one is that? What that song is? What it is? Walking? What the song is? Oh, okay. Run this back, DJ, because we got to do this dance again. We can run this back. Okay, so we got to practice, though.
Do it, baby, stick it, baby, move it, baby, lick it, baby, suck up on that cookie to that pussy, got a hickey, baby, watch big, cut up on the Range Rover, chain little, but I spent some change on it.
All right, listen, if y'all want to book us, meet me by the booth, whatever booth it is, we can meet me there, and we can talk rates after, all right? Listen, I take keys, they steal the show, what y'all think? They ready? All right, so hold on now, but we still got more people to come. Come on. We still got more people. You come back? Okay. All right. Okay. Bring the bread. Okay. All right. What's your name, hon? Okay, we got Daniela for this lovely two-piece. All right, Daniela. Okay, yeah. All right, Daniela. Okay, who got next? Okay. All right, what's the lipstick from House of Cash, Kimberly? Okay, Kimberly. All right, Kimberly. Okay. So who we got next? Okay, listen, is that all for the pig party? The pig fashion show? Okay, shameless plug. All right, let's go.
Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana.
Show that. All right, she got on. All right, yay. All right, okay. All right, okay. Constellations in the building. Watch this outfit here. Come true, I can creations. Come true. All right, okay. This is a nice blazer pants combo with the platform heel, with the pink. Okay. Did you? Okay. All right, I can be
Girl, you don't make me the ginger. I the fuck come and rescue me. Girl, for your love, go be fighter. Fight for your love every night and day. Girl, you don't make me the Shiva. Hey, I'm in love, come and control me. Girl, it's a fact I can't deny it.
vote right then and there. And then if you win that round, you go to the next round. If you lose, see you next year, God spare life. All right? Clean cut, ready to go? All right. I like that. Okay, DJ, run the rhythm. All right. Now, why the stage get clear? All right, so we got CC and Chinnets. CC? CC, round of applause for CC. Round of applause for Chinnets. This song equal. Okay, round of applause for CC. Round of applause for Chinners. CC wins. All right, Chinners, see you next year, God spare life. Thanks so much, though. All right, so we can have Mimi and Designs by Kay. Come, we ain't got no time. Time is of the essence. Time is of the essence.
The bike you mean, you got the body girl.
Yeah.
See the bike you got the body girl. Benz character, me know say you got the girl. You want the big bike, fast shopping at the girl. Me love it like that when you dip on the bike. Me love it like that when you dip on the bike. You really like some and you live on the night.
DJ. Jesus, hold on now. Hold on. We can need the audience to step back. Y'all need to step back. First of all, what y'all ain't gonna do is listen, COVID is still around, people. Listen, COVID is still around. We can need y'all to step back. The people that need to see what's going on. Y'all saw what was happening? People them say no, back up, House of London. Back up. Now DJ, Kiki, or use Mimi and Kay, come here again. Now, the rules is no hyping up the people in front. You hype from the side. All right? They hype from the side. We can need to see. Y'all saw? Right? Y'all want to vote now? Or rewind it? All right, we can rewind it. All right. So we got Kiki, Mimi. Okay, we got Kiki. Mimi. Jesus. We got Mimi and Kay. DJ, run the rhythm. House of London, you better step back.
We're doing the same track or?
DJ, this ain't your thing. This is my show. You play when I say play. No. DJ, you want me to take your job too?
That my girl,
Alright.
you got the body girl. See the body girl, you got the body girl. Instagram, damn it, know say you got the girl.
Alright,
You want the big bike, what's chopping at you girl? You love it like that when you
Yeah.
up on the bike up.
Yeah.
You love it like that when you
Yeah.
up on the bike up. You really like so and the middle like that. You really like so and the middle like
Alright,
that.
yeah.
And me love it like that when you up on the bike up. Me love it like that when you up on the
Alright,
bike
DJ.
up. You really like so and the middle like that.
DJ.
You really like so and the middle like that. Your body pretty than everybody give up.
All right, so look at she want to go on this side. It's the winning side, eh? Oh, you split that way. Split in the middle. All right. You ready, DJ? We ready, DJ? Look here. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, sound like a plan. But I have to I hosting. Y'all gotta back up. Back up. All right.
Go down and a wine
Yeah.
and a bubble and round and back, this a jump, this a trouble and bust a hug up and a couple and a cuddle and a wine up me body and a bubble and
Spin up me pum pum. Yes. Oh, hold on, DJ. DJ, look here. Look here. Look here. Look here. All right, hold firm. Massive, hold
My
firm.
God.
DJ, you see that? No. You know what was solid? She freaking, I can't even do it because I fat. She put her 2 foot behind her butt.
Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself.
I can hurt myself.
Don't hurt yourself.
She had her 2 foot together like this.
You need some body rub, eh?
She ain't need no body rub. That's that uni. That's the thing she's selling, that uni. You understand me?
go down
Hey,
and a wine and a
come on,
bubble and
come on.
round and back, this a jump, this a trouble and bust a hug up and a couple
Hey,
and a cuddle
hey,
and a wine
come
up
on.
me body and a bubble and
Spin up me pum pum.
everybody does a wine and a everybody does a jump.
What is going on here?
What is this? Hold on. That's a wrap. That's a
What's
wrap.
going on here?
That's a wrap. Listen.
What are you selling in your booth?
Listen.
I need 5 of those.
Listen. That's how you know that uni is good. Them other things is rubbish. Rubbish.
I need 5 of those.
5 of those. But obviously, we know I can't win. All right. So, DJ, who we got next now? That's it, right? So now we got to do a recount. Who? Unique. Look how she moving. What song? Spice? Go down there. Neil, you need to find Neil. Listen, you don't know how to wake up. Think of me. The search bar. NEEDLE.
Listen, there's no Wi-Fi in this joint, so it's hard for me to go into a database.
Oh,
All right?
so we gotta go with what you got in.
Yeah.
So as a DJ, shouldn't you have a hotspot?
Don't worry. I'll give you something else.
Okay. Hey, hold on now. I know what you mean. Okay. Let's do. Listen, Paul said we should do cent, 5 cents, 10 cents. Huh? Vibes Cartel? Condensed milk? Condensed milk? They say no. Chillers say no. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Come in.
Underwater?
Underwater? Yes. All right, let's do this. Oh! Hey, oh! Trying to figure out. I was lost. I didn't know whether to look on the floor or look up at the DJ. Hold on now. Hold on now. So hold on. I ain't gonna tell you no word of lie, Cece. You do good, but you gotta go home, sweetie. Just between Eye Candy and Kay. Oh, you was walking your fish, you miss it? All right, so Kay and Eye Candy, we back at it again. Now, I know what's going on here. I know Eye Candy, the DJ is now off limits. No touching him. That's it, no more. This man didn't know what to do, he just threw down the mic. He just say, forget it. His whole life flashed before his eyes. He didn't know what to do. Now, DJ, you gotta give me something good. Because Eye Candy, this is it. This is the last hurrah. I wasn't ready for that. I gotta buy that uni.
Love the girl,
Come, Kay.
So just whine for me.
Come on, Kay. Come on. Let's go. All right. Okay. Yay. Can I say no touching? No touching. Listen. Not gonna happen is that y'all are gonna disrespect the judge. Me. All right. I think it's time to call it. Y'all think? I hope you all had this. Why y'all didn't have this same energy when the performance was up here? You all had the same. Look here. You all should have had the same energy. All right, so. Come on. Put your bag down.
Yo.
Hey, take it easy. You ain't around quick. You know, hey, extra things up. Take the money, go. Okay. That's the, we'll call it the little consolation prize. Why you won't come in here? You could have won 250 of them. Thanks. All right, so I guess it's time to call it. What more? Play what? He should have played that just now. All right. So for all those who vote for Kay, so for all those who vote for the uni. Eye Candy, you won yourself 250 of them. Thanks. Cole Hard Candy.
We got a big good shit. Hit it like a song, put that nigga in the shoulder. I'ma take it like a pendant. Yeah, keep it up, can you manage? Yeah, don't put that nigga back. Yeah, tap me in, I'ma tap back. Yeah, only 12 rounds, he can back to back. Only 12 rounds, can you handle that? Need a big dog with my tiny cat.
exhausted. But oh my god, let me turn off this before I get copyrighted. Cakes by Nick Snacks team, how was it? Woo! Yes, how was it, mommy? Like, did you enjoy
At the next light, turn left.
Would you do it again? Oh my god, guys, we sell off the rum punch. We have clean. Like, no one bought cakes, but honestly I think it's because we were selling like full-size cakes, which honestly, when you really think about it, who really wants to walk around with like a full-size cake? If I did brought my my cupcakes, I'm pretty sure they would sell because they're miniature. But
At the light, turn left onto Dixie Road.
It was a great day. Turn here. Yeah. It was a great day. I did 3 classes today. The 4th class was basically
In 2.4 kilometers,
but
turn left onto Dixie Road.
It was running too long. The people them kick me out basically, so the girl couldn't get to do her class. That was the highly anticipated one that everybody was really waiting for. But yeah, guys, so we're just heading home now. I'm just gonna end off this right here. Hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. It's either gonna be Vlogmas Day 18 or Day 19. Let's see when I edit it, but most likely Day 18, gonna be uploaded after 12. Yes, guys, so make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye, guys.